Hi guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Thank you for joining me again today. This is the wine bottle that we did with the bubble wrap on that series on texture. Absolutely love the texture. And I want to show you, even when the bubbles popped, the decor still looks awesome. I love that. My kids, believe it or not, I have a 15-year-old and a 10-year-old who literally sits around on Saturday morning and pop these things. I don't know, it was funny, but they loved doing it. Let me bring it down so you can see what it looks like. And so I want to take that up a notch, one higher level, and then also I decide I loved it so much I want to do one with the fishbowl. So that way I'll have a decor contrast in a height, but also be able to show you how I came about doing it. So I hauled the Dollar Tree cylinder. The Dollar Tree also have bubble wrap, which is nice because, you know, you pay $1, that's it. So I'm sorry guys, my phone went out. So the first thing I want to do before I start on that project is I have last year or 2 years ago, I want to say it was last year. 2 years ago I hauled this one. This one is the rose from Michael's, and you use it to create chocolate. You can also use it to create what I'm about to show you. And this is a bow. And so I'm going to take my gel shape, it's a mold, and create a bow with the glue sticks. And so I'm going to fill it, not a lot, but I'm going to fill it up and then show you what it looks like. This is a fun project, guys. If this is your first to my channel, guys, you're in for a treat. My agenda is to do quick, easy, inexpensive, elegant home decor for less. That could be taking something and repurposing it, or whatever the case may be, to achieve what we're looking for. And I love the gel mold because it comes right out. So I'm going to set that aside and let it dry while we get started on this bowl. So basically, all you're going to do is bend it inside of the bowl. Take your glue gun, add some glue, and bend your bubble wrap on the inside. Going to do that all the way around, and then I'll be back to show you what it looks like. And guys, I do not use a lot of glue because I don't want it to be seen. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, so for this project you need your bubble wrap, your fish bowl, your scissors, hot glue stick, hot glue gun, trim your excess bubble away once you have glued your inside, okay, and trim the bottom if you need to. So this is the way the bubble wrap looks. Well, if you'd like, you can leave it this way. It's up to you. I love it painted, so I am going to take it out, spray paint it silver or possibly gold, we'll see, and come back and show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so I don't know what happened to my camera. It switched over to the other angle, so it just totally got messed up. So I have to redo the whole thing, and excuse for kicking the camera. Oh, I'm showing a project I've got coming soon. So what I had to do, I went out, spray painted it. It was very cold out there, so there's only one coat on here. I think that's perfectly fine. And my gel turned out just fine. So the other clip that I missed, both is missing. I decided just to continue by explaining. So the mold came out and I spray painted it, and then the beads, I went ahead and add the beads to the trim of the top and to the bottle as well. Now these beads came from Walmart at Christmas time when they were clearancing out for 50% off. I went ahead and purchased them, the silver and the red. I think it turned out really well. I'm sorry I lost the clip to show you how I came about this, but it's very simple. It's just gluing the beads to the bottle and to the bowl. Now I want to add my bead, my little bow, and I think I may do it on the side. Let's do it here. I will upgrade soon. It will not stay this way. I promise you guys, I'll get better at it. At technology, I'm not very savvy. I'm learning. I love the way the beads turned out. I wish I had the clip to show you, because we were doing it together until I lost that. Till I don't know what happened. It just turned upside down. It's crazy. So I think that they turned out really well. For an upgrade, I think that's a good upgrade. Guys, if you agree with me, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I truly appreciate it. I took it all the way around. I love this decor. You can use it for Valentine's. Alright, thank you so much for your time, and I look forward to your comments on this. And as always, give me a thumbs up if you like it. You don't have to give me a thumbs up down if you don't like it, but if you do, leave me a comment so I know how to improve, and share with your family and friends. I appreciate it, and I thank you so much. I hope that you are a subscriber, or at least consider being a subscriber. Have a blessed day, and I will see you tomorrow.